I've seen it.
Masaya ko yung story. Masaya. Masaya ko yung story. Thank you for coming, Beth.
Isa niya po.
Masaya ko yung story. Masaya kami ito madali.
Oh, sige na.
Yeah, yesterday, no, the other day, we had our prayer meeting, and our food budget was so late, and then we prayed for food, and then we sleep, and the next morning someone knocked in our door and asked us if he can buy some food for us. So the kids were, they were so amazed and so happy. When they get inside the room, they were so shocked and where those foods came from. So I told them that a guy foreigner came here and knocked on our door and asked to buy some food for us. So they were so happy, and they were puzzled what's happening on. So because this is their first time that they saw this lots of stuff. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Who's that foreigner?
Because when
His name
first
is
bought my house in
his name is Barry.
Mali,
Yeah.
they give you a basic size. There's no crust on the wall, nothing, just basic upstairs, just one big room.
Karate ni
So,
mo
of course, being a foreigner,
Yeah, so they have rice, they got some canned goods,
Yeah.
some eggs.
Sardines, corned beef, and eggs, and we had meat last night. So last night we ate chicken, and this morning we had hot dog. So we're so thankful. So God answered our prayers.
You're supposed to be shooting it.
Truly.
Why you take it so long? So I said, well, you have to move.
Sakto na.
Sige na, storya pa.
Paid them, but I don't think I do it.